Okay, this video is about how to use the whiteboard in Microsoft Teams if you have a situation where you need to draw things or demonstrate things. So the way you do that is you start by clicking the Share Your Screen button. It's this button right here with the arrow going into the square. Click it. And then over here on the right, we have a couple of different options. We have Whiteboard and we have this other freehand by Envision. I'm going to click on Whiteboard. It will load up. And then now you can choose a pen and start drawing. Now, I know drawing with a mouse is almost impossible, but there are some entry devices called slates that make it a little bit easier. And I think if you're on a touch-sensitive device like an iPad, you might be able to draw directly on it with a stylus or with your finger. So it's worth something to check out. When you're done with your whiteboard, I'm done. See how hard it is to draw with the mouse. You simply try to bring this menu back. It goes away after you're still for a while, and you drag down into this bottom bar and you have the stop presenting. And you can get rid of it then. If you wanted to save this for some reason, you can click this gear icon and there is an export image as SVG, which can be very handy. And that's about it. Okay, so I'm gonna get out of this whiteboard by stopping presenting and we're back to normal. Okay, that is Whiteboard in Microsoft Teams. Bye-bye.